Hello again, it's Melissa here from One Hot Bite. Today we are doing something totally different than what I have done on any of my other videos. We are doing a crock pot meal. So not your traditional mom, put dinner in the crock pot and everything tastes the same. We're not doing that. We actually we're gonna do shredded pork in the crock pot today because we're gonna make shredded pork sandwiches with a spicy mustard sauce. So let's get going. We're gonna go ahead and rub down our pork with our seasonings. I'll tell you those seasonings as we get going. And we're gonna put in the crock pot and we're gonna wait 6 hours. I have a secret ingredient today that if you have not tried, you need to run out and get it right now. It is white truffle infused hot sauce. Ooh, can you see that? It's Truffle is what it's called. It comes in this awesome little box and it is amazing. So you can put it on anything. We put it on pizzas just the other night and it's delicious. So it's gonna be part of this sauce that we're gonna pull together as well. So let's go ahead and get our pork ready, get in the crock pot, and I'll see you in a second. All right, the pork is in the crock pot. We have 5 to 6 hours. So you can probably push it a little bit further if you need to. And then we're gonna shred it. We are gonna make our sauce. So I think I'm gonna go take a nap. No, not actually get a nap. That would be awesome if I could take a nap. And I will see you back and we will shred the pork and get the sauce going. Also, while we're taking a pause for the cause right now, make sure you subscribe down below, hit the like button, give me some comments. I'm loving everything. I'm loving all the action. I'm loving all the conversations. This is so much fun. So we're gonna make these incredible, juicy, shredded pork sandwiches. Coming right up. Okay, our pork is just about ready to be shredded, so I need to make the sauce. The sauce is gonna take about 15 minutes to simmer, so let's get it put together. Again, this is like the easiest meal. You throw your pork in, no big deal, leave it all day almost, and you have to quickly whip together the sauce, but by then I'd be putting together a salad or something anyway, and then bam, you have your sandwiches and a salad. So let's get our sauce going, and then we'll assemble this delicious sandwich, and I'll see you in a second. Okay, we're gonna put the sandwich together. I like to get brioche buns just because they're amazing and they can soak up a lot of sauce. There's our bun. We're gonna top it with some pork. Oh my goodness, perfectly shredded. Pile it nice and high. And then we're gonna add our incredible sauce. Can never have too much. And there is your shredded pork sandwich. And there you have it. Another hot bite from One Hot Bite. Doesn't that look amazing? Let's see if I can even pick it up. So good. Make sure you tune in next week. Next Thursday, we're gonna have something else crazy and delicious. And if you missed it, we did banana bread earlier this week because I've been baking like a crazy person. So we'll see you guys next week.